Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to install .apk file on your Android phone. In simple words, I am going to teach you how to install Android app without Google Play Store. It is very easy. All you need is .apk file. .apk file is a app file for the Android which you can install on your Android phone, also known as side loading, but we don't use the word side loading because that's the point of using an Android operating system, that we will get freedom to install Android app whichever we want. There are generally two methods to install APK file. First is the good old fashioned method, which is copy the APK file to your Android phone and then tap on it to install it. And yes, in settings you have to change some settings to allow the installation to happen. Like example, click on the toggle button to install from unknown sources. But in this video, I am going to teach you much more professional method to install .apk file on your Android phone, which Android developers like me use it. We are going to use something known as ADB, Android Debugging Bridge. It is a simple tool from Google to install APK file to the Android phone. Actually, it is used for debugging purpose, but for this video, we are going to use it to install the APK file straight to the Android phone using the USB cable. Let's get started with this video and we will go step by step. Step number 1 is to get a APK file. So now the question is where to get an APK file. Remember that for your own safety, you need to download the APK file from trustworthy sources. There are multiple trustworthy sources outside of Google Play Store, such as the F-Droid store, which we can see here. F-Droid is very popular, where we can get lots of apps which are open source. Alternative to F-Droid is you can also go to the GitHub page of Android app which you want to install. For example, this is the Git repository of File Manager, which is an open source Android app. And then from here I can download the APK file. Otherwise, you can go to the official website of whatever app you want to install. For example, this is a Telegram website which distribute APK file straight onto their website, which is the official website, and download the APK file. So we will be downloading Telegram APK file for this video. And remember that when you download APK file, you should download from the trustworthy sources which you trust, because sometimes it might contain virus if you download it from shady website or untrustworthy website. This is the main reason which I always tell to directly go to the official website of whatever app which you want to install, or else you can visit GitHub, or else you can use F-Droid App Store, which is trusted by many people and many tech enthusiasts like me. Now we have got the APK file which we will installing on our Android mobile phone. Now step number 2 is download the ADB tool. So the ADB tool is officially distributed by Google for Android app development purpose, and this is the website to download the ADB tool. Actually, you can install Android Studio, but Android Studio is a very large software and it is entire IDE to develop Android apps. So I will recommend, if you are not an Android app developer, if you are just a tech enthusiast who want to install APK file, simply download the Android SDK platform tool for sake of simplicity. Click on this and then scroll down below and then download the tools from the official website. And now we have downloaded the platform tools. After downloading the zip file from official website, open the folder where you have stored the zip file. So this is the zip file which we have downloaded from official Google Android page. Right click on this file and click on extract all. After extracting the content of this file, you will see there is a folder named platform tool, and inside this folder there is a file named ADB, and this is the important file which we will be using to install Android app to our phone. Now how to use this application. If you simply click on this application, it will not run. It will open a window and it will automatically close. So to run this file, right click on the folder and there is an option open in terminal. Now note that I have already installed terminal on my computer. In case if you want to install terminal, then you can visit to Microsoft Store to install the terminal. This is the Windows terminal which I will be using. This is the official page of Windows terminal on Microsoft App Store. You can use command prompt, but I would recommend to use Windows terminal because it is easier and simplified. And after installing Windows terminal, you can right click and then you will get this option open in terminal. We will open this folder in a terminal window, and inside this terminal you can type ADB just to check if everything is working or not. As you can see, we can see all the commands of ADB here, which means the ADB is working. Now next thing is you will need the Telegram APK inside this folder. So go back to the folder where we have Telegram APK. We will copy paste this file into our ADB folder. As you can see, the APK file and ADB file is in same folder. Now right click and open this in a terminal window. Now step number 3 is we have to enable USB debugging on your Android mobile. So I will be using Android emulator to show you how to enable USB debugging on your Android mobile phone. On your Android phone there will be a settings app. Open the settings app, scroll down to about, and then scroll down to build number. So on build number you have to repeatedly tap on it to unlock the developer mode. This is how to do it. And now you are a developer. Once you have unlocked the developer mode, go to systems and then scroll down to developer options. In developer options, scroll down to USB debugging and then enable this option. After enabling this option, connect your phone to USB cable to your computer. Now next step is, after connecting your Android phone to your computer via USB, open the terminal window which we have previously opened. Now you have to type the command ADB install telegram.apk. Now remember, telegram.apk is the name of the file which we have downloaded previously and copy pasted into the same folder in which our ADB file is present. After writing this command in Windows terminal, click on enter and it will automatically install app on your Android phone. As you can see, it shows succeed, which means the app has been installed. Now as you can see, our Telegram app has been installed on the mobile. Here I am using Android emulator, but we can do same with the Android app too. So that is how we install .apk file on your Android phone, and you can install any app on Android mobile phone. So that's it for today. I hope you like my video. Like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Have a nice day and bye bye.